Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure iCloud Photos is active and your device has enough storage. This lets you access originals. Next, open Google Photos and sign in with the account you want to use, then enable backup and sync in settings. If you prefer, choose one-time transfer on your Mac or PC, otherwise set continuous sync on the phone. Once done, verify internet is stable and on Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges before proceeding to the upload step. You now handle the detailed transfer. On iPhone, grant Google Photos permission to all photos and pick backup quality. Original preserves full resolution, high compresses slightly to save space. On Mac, export selected albums from Photos as originals with metadata, then drag them to Photos. Google.com or let Google's Backup and Sync app upload the export folder. Make sure to watch the upload queue and use pause and resume if needed, because large libraries may take hours and require occasional user attention. Finally, you verify the transfer is complete by scanning albums and searching for recent photos and videos in Google Photos. Check timestamps to ensure integrity. Once satisfied, disable any extra automatic backup sources to stop duplicates, and tidy folders in Google Photos using Albums and Archive. If something's missing, re-export the originals from Photos and retry upload, or check that iCloud finished syncing on your device. One key tip: if uploads stall, sign out and back into Google Photos and restart the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.